this is Patrick with Dynamic Home Inspections. I'm out here in an attic with an air handler for a heat pump, and the amount of power that is pulling is too much for the size wire going to it. Now, when you have an oversized breaker or the appliance itself draws more current than the wire can handle, the wire will overheat before either the breaker trips. That's a potential fire hazard. So what I'm looking at up here, I'm going to do a little bit of math for you. You look inside here, each one of those is a 5 kW heater. That's 5, that's a 5 kW heater, that's a 5 kW heater. And each one of them draws about 20 amps. So you have 20 amps there, and you only have number 6 wire run to it. I'm not sure with the 60 amp breaker why the breaker hasn't tripped. It should have by now, because when you have 60 amps total of what the heaters are pulling plus the blower, you're actually exceeding what the breaker can handle. Also, when you touch the wire, the incoming wire, which is this right here, it's excessively hot. So that right there tells you these right here are pulling too much current through this size wire. This size wire is too small. Fortunately, this is an easy fix. Only to take care of this, one of these wires that are going to any of the heaters, just one needs to be disabled. So if you would take this one, pull it, wrap it with some rubber tape, make it to where it's no longer an issue, that right there would solve the problem. And it would no longer be a fire hazard, and it would still, for the size house of this, it would still heat the house just fine. Okay, I'm Patrick, Dynamic Home Inspections, and you guys have a great day. And this is why you should hire Dynamic Home Inspections for all of your home inspection needs.